Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick demo of our web app Earthpact and why I think you guys will benefit not just from browsing the database, which I'm about to show you, but also from signing up. So on our database, everyone comes on, and there they can find the opportunities that impact organizations around the world that are they're interested in. So for example, you can filter by the opportunity type. Say you want opportunities to buy better, you want opportunities to volunteer and work at impact. And say for example, me, I'm based in London, but I have connections with Switzerland. It will give you all of the possible organizations that are working in these domains. And then you can filter out based on the city, Basel, or for example, well, actually, let's try it out. You can't put in both Basel and London, right? And that's, I think, the problem with searching, right? Also, we don't really know, what kind of keywords, what kind of interests we want in something. So say, for example, I'm interested in zero waste, I can put that in. But then what if I'm not just interested in zero waste? What if I'm interested in food prevention or food waste as well, specific? So, it's going to be hard for the search algorithm to work properly. Now, this is definitely fine. Manually searching is all good, but I think that's the problem with sustainability. Even here we have quite a lot of opportunities that we don't really know how to filter through and make relevant to us, but also we don't know how to search for the right thing that's tailored to our needs, to our interests, to our location. So I wanted to just show you how we sign up, how someone signs up, and then why actually this can solve the problem of bringing in those different complexities that make us human and try and map it to the complexities of sustainability. Right, so let's get started. Okay, let's put in my name. So, right, whether you're just starting out on your journey, right, if you just want more environmental, socially conscious options, or you already kind of know, how you're already making sustainable decisions in terms of the environment, in terms of the kind of socially conscious ideas that you either bring to work or in transportation or whatever, we can try and tailor our needs to your needs to our platform. This is the recommendation part that I was talking about. We can save and search and manage those solutions that we find to our own database, and we can also find the different numbers, the different metrics behind how many are volunteering, how many are donating options, how many are buying better options, and then also in the different locations that we select. And then one here as well is that offer type. So we're trying to speak to the partners, the solutions on our platform, and get good deals for you guys. And you can cancel anytime. The enterprise account, we haven't launched it yet, but this is quite interesting because sustainability is very complex, and a lot of the solutions are actually solutions that individuals, even though we have that kind of bottoms up kind of engagement, really it's the businesses that throughout the supply chain have to transform to comply with regulations that are coming in, but also to find innovations to their own supply chain that they can incorporate in their business needs. So that's coming out very soon. And we'll start now. Okay, so let's confirm my name. So it has to be exactly the same for the system to work, and it has to be the same email. And put that down. Where am I based? I'm based in London, and that's UK, so United Kingdom. And what industry am I working in? I'm in IT and printing. I'm just going to move this over here. Right, so we already saw the filtering options, right? But here we're going a bit further. So here you can select the categories underneath buying better, right? What are you actually buying? What do you usually buy? Are you interested in tech? Are you interested in clothes? I'm going to put all, so I'll just get rid of this because all kinds of things for my life. I was also working in, I was previously in the pharma industry, so I want to have responsible consumption and production. But also, I've now transitioned into social impact, so those are some interesting areas for me. And volunteering, I wanted to volunteer, right? So these are some categories here, but we constantly refine categories based on the user needs. So if you're interested to change or to update it, then please let us know. I'm going to click all here, and then apps. Here we are. I want apps, softwares, and websites that help me be more sustainable. So sustainable development goals. We have a a frameworks page that explains that, so if you click on that you'll go there, but I wanted to just skip that part so you don't have to go through that, so you can have a look at that. But here, if you don't know, you can also select some here and make sure that you do select it, because this is key for us to map out the opportunities that we have, because we do classify them according to the Sustainable Development Goals. So I'm interested in Goal 9, Zero Hunger, and Responsible Consumption, Climate Action, and Partnership. You can always edit these in your profile section when you want to change or add more. Right, so click Next. Here we want to select, this is that point where I want to put another country. You don't have to put another country, you can also put nowhere else apart from my base, and it'll be specific to your base. And I want it also in Basel. So you remember, the data entry we put in here will be very specific and tailor the solutions on our platform. And you can just leave this blank if you don't want extra solutions, right? Or extra solutions in a specific place. So click Submit. And then, so now my profile data has been saved, and then I can just start my free trial for 30 days, and then you can already see what recommendations we've given you. Let me just test that. Yeah, so perfect. Then we can start that. So here we will have to put in card details, but that's, at the moment it's free, and for 30 days, and then after 30 days you will be charged $3.99, but that's less than a cup of coffee. A big one, but less than a cup of coffee. It's just so that we can see that there is a model here, right? If that you are getting value from that. And so I'm going to pop in some detail. So this is just you'll see this, but this is a test, a dummy details. So it won't make use if you try and copy this. Okay, this has to be your email address that you've used for the whole process. So like I said, after 30 days you will be charged, but you'll get a reminder 7 days before your due date. So let's start the trial. Right, we're in. So the database we already saw, you can browse it still, but this is the interesting part. So you can go to your suggested solutions. Right, we've got a couple of options. I will do another video based on what you can do in your profile, but this is the main part that I wanted to show you. So we've got our profile here, we've got the goals that we're working, or opportunity types we're interested in. Here, if we edit it, you can change everything. So I'll show you that quickly. So you can constantly change your in complete control. So these are the options that we've put in. Working in all, and it was then volunteering, and we didn't wish to donate, and we didn't wish to invest, and we wanted to tech for good. Cool. And then here you can edit as well, but I'm happy with that right now. And then I wanted to show you then the solutions that we've got. So these are the solutions that are specific to my interests, my location, and the Sustainable Development Goals. Recommendations here. So this is what you can do. You click on it and you'll still get the solution page. So this is a new part, the save function. So it's in Winterthur, it's not exactly in Basel, but the main point is, you can work in Impact. So I think that's why the algorithm works like that. It still thinks that I can travel there, but it's quite fast still. But maybe it's a remote work, maybe they still have remote work opportunities. So this is their profile. Sounds interesting, but I'm not. Alright, so this is sensor acceleration drilling. Okay, cool. So I guess this is the energy part that I was interested in. So let's save that one, and then we'll go back. Oh, we don't need to go back actually. We can get rid of that page. Waste. Yeah, I'll show you actually. So these are the opportunity types, but now I'm not interested in this one. I want to remove it from here. So, it's now removed, and I will have to refresh. So if we refresh this, it won't be there anymore. Also, because we saved that previous option, it won't be in the suggested solutions either. So while this updates, you can see that the saved solution is here, in your saved solution under your suggested solutions, but also it's in your saved solutions here. And yeah, this is now, so we've seen quite a few still options in Switzerland, but this is specific to my interests, right? So waste, we've got materials, and we've got other things in Switzerland. So this is pretty cool. It's pretty cool, and the fact that we can save things and remove them is also quite interesting. So I hope that summarized at least why I think it's beneficial to make an account, right? We've seen that we've connected your data to solutions, the 248 solutions, and we've narrowed them down more specifically. And here you have the kind of accountability of yourself to manage them, to save them, and this saves you from actually having to make a long open window of many different tabs and bookmarking them. And here it's all kind of relevant, and it's constantly updating as we're adding new projects. We're constantly bringing in more recommendations for you. And then I hope this helps. I hope this I appreciate any feedback that you guys give me, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you later.